Hello students, welcome you all in economics class. Hope you all are well at your home. Now I am going to start a lesson, poverty. In this lesson we will cover concept of poverty, poverty line, measures of poverty, measures of remove poverty, poverty elevation programs run by government. So let's see first of all what is poverty is. What do you mean by poverty? Have you ever heard about poverty? In present, poverty is a widespread phenomena in underdeveloped or developing countries, especially in Asia and Africa. Many times we are talking about poverty. We have heard in newspaper, journals, magazines that the economy is suffering from a major challenge is known as poverty. What is poverty actually is? Sometimes when we are moving on road, we see some people are begging, rickshaw puller, some people are seeking for job, they are searching for job. The people who are unable to meet their two-time meals, even though they are not able to acquire their two-time meals, is known as poor. Those individuals belongs to poor, who are unable to secure their daily requirements, their daily needs. And the situation, in which situation they are unable to attain these daily necessities is known as poverty. So now let's see what is poverty is. Poverty is defined as a situation in which a person is unable to meet their daily requirements, their basic needs. These basic needs are food, clothing, housing, education and health facilities. These are the 5 necessities of life. When a people unable to secure these 5 necessities of life is referred as poor, and the situation in which he was unable to attain these necessities of life is known as poverty. It can be also defined as it is inability of individual to fulfill their basic needs. When an individual is unable to fulfill his or her basic needs, is the situation referred as poverty. The basic needs: food, clothing, housing, education and fifth one, health facilities. These are the 5 necessities of life which when a person is unable to achieve these 5 necessities of life, or if he or she is unable to secure these 5 necessities of life, is known as poverty. Okay then? Now let's see what are the measures of poverty. Measures of poverty. There are 2 measures of poverty which determine the extent of poverty. First one is relative poverty and the second one is absolute poverty. The 2 measures which determine the extent of poverty is relative poverty and absolute poverty. What is relative poverty is? Do you have any idea from the meaning relative? Relative means in which we can relate something that we can compare to those things to measure the poverty. Such as if someone is having scooter and someone is having car, and we can compare both of them. Who is more poor among both of them? Yes, the person who are having scooter. In the comparison only the car and scooter. It is comparison. Only the basis of the car and scooter. Now let's see relative poverty. Relative poverty is referred to the poverty in comparison to other people, region or nation. For example, we can compare the 2-3 states of India on the basis of people who are living below poverty line. The first one, UP. Then I have taken Bihar and Punjab. Okay. UP. In UP, there are 29.4% people are living below poverty line. In Bihar, there are 33.7% people are living below poverty line, and in Punjab, there are 8.3% people are living below poverty line. So, here we can compare where are the most of people are living below poverty line, in which state the more person are living below poverty line. First one, UP, 29.4%. When we compare it with Bihar, it is better condition. In UP is in better position than Bihar. But when we compare UP to Punjab, then what you are getting here? 8.3% people. They are more less than 29.4%. That means in Punjab, there are very less people who are living below poverty line. Okay. So, the condition of Punjab is far better than UP. In this way, on the comparison basis, we can measure which state has better position and where are the less people are living below poverty line. This example is come to the relative poverty. Okay. Now let's see next measure, absolute poverty. What is absolute poverty? Absolute poverty refers to the number of people who are living below poverty line. Okay. Absolute poverty is referred the number of people are living below poverty line. This is measured on the basis of their consumption expenditure. For example, in rural area, there are 816 rupees is the consumption expenditure of a person per month, while in urban area, there are 1000 rupees consumption expenditure of a person per month. When a person of rural area is spending below 816 rupees is referred as the absolute poverty. And when in urban area the person spending below than 1000 rupees is referred as absolute poverty. It is measured on the basis of their consumption expenditure. This one for rural area and this one for urban area. Okay. So, this is absolute poverty and relative poverty. These are the two measures of poverty. Hope you all are able to understand the concept of poverty and the second, the measures of poverty. If any questions are there, if you have any question or you want any question to ask, you can send your message. We will solve these problems in next session. Okay.